Hi, this is Maxime again, and welcome back to Animation Tricks Tutorials. Today we will be talking about another very popular question. How does one animate several elements in such way that they would appear one by one as they appear in the viewport? That is quite a convenient way to set a header which is made out of a flex block. And there are two ways to actually do that. One of them is doing that through the appear trigger, which will make the elements animate only once as the viewport area loads and pops up. And the other one is simply applying an animation with scroll trigger, and you don't even need to set it much because since every single element is located on a different level, the settings of the trigger will be already positioned according to the position of the element. You will not need to level them out and to drag them around, so it would be like a quicker workaround in this case. So in this example, we will be working with the slide animations, and what we need to do is simply apply slide left to every single element in the list. I will be firstly covering the appear trigger. The only thing I need to devote some attention to is this delay value. Since this is the very first element that I am going to have slid out, I will leave delay as it is on 0 seconds, so it will start immediately. It will be slightly different with the other element. So as you can see, I have the very same settings except delay to approximately 0.2 seconds, so that there will be some time for the first element to appear and slide out, and then right after that the second element would start playing. Analogically, you set the bigger value for the third element. In my case it's 0.4. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, they slide out one by one, and that pretty much does the thing. Now an alternative method would be to make this little trick through the scroll trigger, and in this case you don't have the delay value, nor do you actually need it. Every single element from this list will be appearing from the bottom of the page, so the only thing that you need to do is to apply the scroll trigger to all of them and head over to the page. I scroll down to the element, it slides out, the second one after that slides out as well, and the third one too, and it goes back and forth. If I scroll up, they will similarly slide away. This was our animation trick for this video. Thank you for watching, and good luck!